njengamanje kune-structure esisha esiholwa uDuma intshebe. Ngifuna umtshele emehlweni ukuthi ayikho indaba le ntshebe. I-structure so far other leaders ahamba nabo ngisathi ngiyabasesa ngayo angingaboni isici esingakho yabo. Kodwa intshebe njengekhanda ngibona ukuthi mina sisehlelwa ishwa elasehlela ngeminyaka kaSihle. Maybe I'm subject to be proven wrong. Maybe even Sihle was better because he has been unobhala with ANC and then before become chair of the ANC. Yabona. So njengamanje lona iyodwa pheli experience anayo of leadership ilena nje yama youth structures. He never been anywhere in government. He never been anywhere in a country as an ambassador or whatsoever. He never been anywhere in a position of the ANC. Yet he is a chairperson of the highest decision-making body in KZN while we have so much crisis. Ngitshela kusemanje ayincengi nalapha kade phuza khona ngayizolo ayikho indaba kaDuma izwana ngami yabo uDuma ayikho indaba yakhe ayikho indaba yakhe ungathi i-boyfriend isoka ngibona isoka lase high school qonyoka abaklasi la lonke abaklasi lentombi njalo ngebreak lize likhohle lawo udli abasebishi Leyaxolisa abaxolisa wonke amaklasi lawo. That is bullshit. Uphethe umnyango awuwazi uzowenzani. Uphethe iprovince awuyazi uzowenzani. As a chairperson of the organization, you are nowhere to be found. Uqhamuka nje uzokhuzelwa amaposter akakhulume, uqhamuka nje intweni kodwa awuqonda ngathi uthini. You can't lie to us. You can't lie to us. Aqambele amanga ngoqambele thina. We are too smart and we are not manipulated. You can't manipulate us and we are not stupid. Even what they show you, maybe some structures of the NC or Ama region, no Mama Kujana, they've seen that by bonile ngoshewa. Leli khanda liyaxeka umuntu othwele kanzima lapha la uyonke into uthwele kanzima uthwele ubhavu naye behlanya ngoba bethusa ngizwe nje kodwa angifuni qamamanga. Other leaders are doing very well yabona, they are trying so their best. Ngithi mina Duma ngazi noma ngikunike ithuba yini ukuzokushaya uJuni bese ngikubona ukuthi umholi noma uyiphansula noma uyisulumane ngelengqondo noma uyini angikwazi. Duma ngicela ungicacisele ukuthi uyini. Ucela uyicacise wena. Uhlukane namanga, uhlukane nemanipulation, uhlukane nawo yonke le nonsense zoyiyo nje yabona. Be a leader, be firm and stand in your position and capitalize on issues and engage people on issues and be a leader. Don't be like this. Ulibona kunesana nenhlaba yakho othe odaya baka 5 rand ngokuguna inhlaba mina lapha ngalukujana lapha na kodwa mina siyamganga leni manje mangabe ungasazi lo mumo noma uyini akudlalwa la ngiyamtshela mina ngabona. Please make sure that you are a firm leader and make sure that you do the right things yabona. Awuma awazi ukuphazamiswa uNkulunkulu wami imanager yeplaza elibhizi wathi kuphazamisa imanager yeplaza elibhizi yalandwa ukuthi awuzoba uchela manje ayisazi khulelwa zingane ngapha inkomo ngapha yajova ngapha namanje uboss uphesheya katholakala ucingo Duma unjalo nje. Yes unjalo nje. Ndaka